Oranges are popular citrus fruit, and most people love the pulp and the juice, but the peels are often discarded. So, don't throw away those orange peels just yet, but boil them into a warm cup of soothing and fragrant cold remedy. Orange peel tea is perfect for chilly nights and cold mornings, and it is always my go-to drink when I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. The secret of getting the most benefits from this orange peel tea and infusing it with deliciously comforting flavors is how it is made. So, here is how to make orange peel tea that is not only an effective natural cold remedy, but will also keep you warm and brightens your mood in this dark and cold winter season. To make 2 servings of this orange peel tea, you will need the following ingredients: 1 large to medium-size organic orange, a few buds of cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, a few slices of fresh ginger, a large glass of water, and a bit of honey for the flavor. Now, using a pot or saucepan, heat up the water so it is about to a boil, but not a full boil. You want the water just slightly simmering. Now, wash and dry the orange. I recommend using unwaxed and organic oranges, as we don't get any pesticides and preservatives that may have been absorbed into the orange peel. Now, use a sharp knife or a potato peeler to peel the orange. Keep the peeler close to the surface of the orange so that very little of the white pith is attached to the back of the peels, which will give your tea a bitter taste. Now, add a few slices of ginger, cinnamon sticks, and all the orange peels and cloves into hot water. Gently simmer the ingredients for 10 minutes. Using a strainer, pour the tea into the cup and add some honey to taste. If you did like the taste and the benefits of this cozy and citrusy orange peel tea, then also check out my other video about the 12 incredible benefits of drinking lemon juice mixed with water every morning on an empty stomach. Here is why I drink it every morning. Check it out now.